creek that divides Dubai into two parts, Bar Dubai. We are on Bar Dubai side. Okay, and now going for the Deira Dubai. Deira means sharp chopping knife structure because few of the guests they came later, so I want to make it clear that this body on the other side look like a chopping knife. I will tell you about the glimpse of right side later once we come back from the same location. Okay. So now we are heading towards Deira. Deira means sharp chopping knife that was blocking the water of this creek in the past. The blockage of the water was called as Dubai. The word Dubai comes from the blockage of the water of the creek, which was called as Dhow in Arabic. Now further moving down, these are the apartments here. They recently built these apartments, hotels, standard hotels, 5-star properties here. Why? Because there was no construction in Deira earlier. Okay. Now they're constructing a lot of construction on this side of Dubai. And left side you can see the blue color domes. Everyone, yes or no? We will come back. We will see those domes very clearly later. But there will be a new souk joining us in the future. Marfa Al Souk. That will be looking like a blue color domes and 1100 shops for the future on an island. They're going to make that on an island, so you have to go to that location only through the boat. You will get a different ambience to reach to that island. In February this year they will have a grand opening of this. Okay, left side, can you see the blue color boats? Yes or no? These boats, yeah, these boats are coming from Iran. So I will show you these boats once we take a U-turn from the Spice Souk area again. So why I shown you these blue color boats? These blue color boats are coming from Iran by traveling a distance of 8 hours from Iran. Okay, they're coming with the big chunks of saffron. They board it here. That create a wholesale spice souk. So we are heading towards the spice souk area. So why Deira is famous? Deira is famous for the souks. You will have that question in your mind: why the souks are on this side and the family used to live on the other side of the water? Okay, because their tendency is like that, their culture is like that. They never share their privacy with the foreigners. So they built up the houses on the other side of the water, which I shown you, the Burjil kind of thing, air conditions, right? And they created the souks here. So they told the foreigners, okay, you can park your boats here, do your business with the Arabian part of the world, but never come and intrude our privacy. Okay, so there shouldn't be any privacy breach. That is the reason, guys, we have gold souk, spice souk, knife souk, all souks are here. So we will pass through the gold souk and the spice souk. Gold souk only drive by. Spice souk we will stop and take a mini stop of 15 minutes to enjoy the spices coming from Iran. You heard about Iranian spices, saffron? Okay. Saffron, herbal tea, saffron tea, fruit tea, turmeric tea, kurkuma tea, slimming tea. These kind of teas are coming. Okay, from the 17th century through these boats. Can you see the boats here? Yes. Can you see the used cars on the boats? Yes or no? The used cars on the right side. So from here, what do we taking back to Iran? Electrical products, refrigerator, washing machines, air condition, and used cars too back to Iran. Why? Because in Dubai we are not charging any import duty on 4 products. 4 products: electronics, gold, automobiles, textile. Okay, so if we are not charging the import duty, it affects the cost price. Cost price will be less. Yes. So if you are coming in Dubai, your neighbor will ask you, bring me a ring, bring me an iPhone. Why these questions? Because there is a reason. Because they find little bit good price here than to the rest part of the world. Okay? So Dubai sacrifices import duty. Even though the raw gold is not coming from here, it's coming from west part of Africa. But those countries are not famous for selling the gold. Dubai is most famous because they sacrifice their import duty. They are not making any profit with the import duty. They are making the profit with the gross sale. Now further moving down, we are going in parallel to this water channel body where the boats are coming inside and they can park their boats here. So we will pass through this Spice Souk area later. If you like to feel the air condition, just open the flaps at the top of your head, please, for the ventilation. There are switches available on the top. Just push it back and forth. boats are coming from Iran to this creek. We were there on the other side of the water where the old houses were there, Shemdega houses. So just we are classifying the tour into 3 parts. And I want to make it clear, it's not an explorer tour. Don't compare it with the explorer tour. It's mainly a panoramic city sighting tour. Okay. So in other part of the world, if you are a frequent traveler, you've seen that tour, this kind of a panoramic city sighting tour, the buses kept on moving, but we have certain locations where we actually getting down, enjoy and come back along with the moving bus. Clear to everyone? Right. Second, we are completing our 3 section of Dubai. Sightseeing of 3 section of Dubai. Oldest part of Dubai, we were there. We seen the old houses which are convertible in the form of museums, and we came to this older part of Dubai, Deira Dubai. Now after this we will have the main section of 60%. We will cover inside of new section of Dubai. Okay, after this new section of Dubai consists of Jumeirah coastal line. There's a 40-kilometer coastal line. We will divide that into 3 parts. Jumeirah 1, 2, 3. Jumeirah meaning is beautiful in Arabic, right? So once we go there, Jumeirah 1, what we have, new villas and bungalows of the local people. Cost of the villa is millions of dollars. Okay. Jumeirah 2, every 500 meters there is a mosque. After that, we will take a break at one of the Islamic art center. 20 minutes break. Once we go